Welcome to Lahore, a city located on the eastern Pakistan border with India. A city also generally thought of as the cultural capital of the country. There's a definite fight here relating to Pakistan's recent and more distant history. Great civilizations like the Mughal Empire, the Ghurid state and the Sikh Empire ruled over the area for centuries before the entire subcontinent was colonized by the British Raj. The impressive Lahore Fort lies in the center of the city and today serves as a prime attraction for mostly domestic tourism. At the same time, it has become a symbol of Pakistan's both glorious and troubled history. Across the fort lies the majestic Badshahi mosque, completed in 1674 and one of the largest mosques in the world. It is argued that the open courtyard can hold up to 100,000 people. Around 96% of Pakistan's population are Muslim, and Islam runs through the veins of most Pakistani. This is visible not only on the streets where many people wear traditional shalwar kameez, and from the regular sounds of prayer. Most notably perhaps is the open and welcoming attitude of the people toward foreign and also domestic visitors. Guests are considered to be an expression of God's blessing, and even those in the poor strata of society go out of their way to greet and help strangers. Around these two landmark structures sprawls the old town of Lahore, comprising of narrow, snake-like alleys and surrounded by a 9-meter-high wall. This feels like an entirely different city. People are seen working everywhere, like all of Lahore seems to be buzzing with economic activity. These are the true entrepreneurs and shoulders of Pakistani society. Working around the clock, on the side of the road, in little shops, restaurants, in the streets, they are the people who make a living, trying to feed themselves and their families. And all with a friendly and modest smile on their faces.